Hello, so we have two resistors, X and Y. They are made out of the same material, they have different dimensions, and they have the same resistance. And we have to choose one of these equations here that is correct, given these rules here. So we can use the equation rho equals R multiplied by A over L. So rho, that letter A over there, that's a Greek letter. And what it is it's the resistivity. And resistivity is the measure of how well a certain material opposes electric current. And R, that's resistance, that's how well the resistor itself opposes electrical current. A, which is the cross-sectional area, and L, which is length of the wire or length of the resistor in this case. So same material, as we know, resistivity is based on the material of the resistor. So when we're saying the same material, we're essentially saying the same resistivity. Okay, so now we can actually set up an equation. So first we know that rho of X equals, well, the resistance of X multiplied by cross-sectional area of X over the length of X. And we know that we can do the same thing with Y. Okay, now we know that they have the same resistivity, so we can actually make these equal each other. So I'm going to erase that. And I'm just going to put equal sign right here. These equal each other. But we also know that they have the same resistance. So we can just divide. We can divide by Rx on both sides, or just R, because they equal the same thing. So if we remove Rx here and Ry here, they're still going to be equal to each other because they have the same resistance. Okay, so now we have the cross-sectional area of X over the length of X equals to the cross-sectional area of Y over the length of Y. Okay, so now we have to, I'm looking at these and we already know that A isn't right, and we can see here that C isn't right. Okay, so it has to be one of these, but we don't actually have any of those solutions yet. So what we can do is we can multiply by the denominators. We can do cross multiplication. So there we go. I'm just showing the long way of how you can flip both fractions essentially. And now you can divide AX, and you can divide on this side AY, yeah. So we'll end up with this, so that gets brought over here. And it seems like we are left with the answer over here. So the answer is B. Thank you.